Welcome back, Flare community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. It's just a short video today highlighting the importance and how lucky we are to have Firelight on the Flare network. We're going to be listening in to Anthony, the CEO of Centaura, to see what he has to say on the matter.
One of my biggest challenges with crypto is I'm disappointed. I'm ecstatic about all the innovation. What I'm really disappointed about is a lack of abstraction. So when we built Firelight as an abstraction tool of risk. What does that mean? Banks in the real world take significantly more risk than smart contract risk. If anybody was paying attention to private credit in the fourth quarter and heard of a company called First Brands, this company destroyed tons of private credit funds, lenders, ETFs that had the credit in it. Almost, took Jefferies, a bank, stock down 25% because of their exposure to First Brands. So banks take significant risk that I would say is much larger than the risk they would take in DeFi. The difference is they don't know how, they don't have the smart contract engineers, they don't have the framework, they don't have the ability to price it, right? Because of lack of understanding, lack of people. So if we ever expect traditional finance to get into crypto, we need to convert the smart contract and economic risks, security risks, into a risk that they understand.
So there we have it. It's all about reducing the risk for institutions, allowing them to have a calculated risk opposed to just participating in DeFi and hoping that a protocol does not get exploited. This way, through Firelight with DeFi insurance, they're able to reduce that risk significantly, and this is what's going to bring in the next billions of dollars worth of TVL onto the Flare network. I would like to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Do enjoy the rest of your day, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.